Do you want to learn how to make 7% guaranteed income? Do you also want to learn how to make 7% guaranteed income which is tax-free, and that from the money sitting idle in your bank account? If yes, listen to me very carefully. My name is Arpit Arora. I'm India's leading personal finance expert and passive income coach. I help entrepreneurs and professionals to eliminate the dependence they have on their job, business or profession for money, and I do that by creating fixed monthly passive income for them coming from their existing wealth, the money that they already have. Now, coming back to our topic, we were talking about how to make 7% guaranteed and tax-free income from the money sitting in your bank account, right? So traditionally, what we look at today is that most bank accounts are not giving more than 5.5% in FD because the interest rates have dropped drastically in the last year itself. Now, I've actually found a secret way through which you can make 7% guaranteed and also tax-free money. The most amazing thing about that is that this money is also 100% liquid, and your 7% annualized returns will come to you on a quarterly basis too. Now, this is sounding too good to be amazing, but it actually is absolutely true and achievable for you as well. Now, let's talk about how is this going to be done. You can make 7% tax-free income by investing into two particular banks which are giving 7% interest on savings account. See, I'm mentioning savings account here because I'm not talking about FD. As per the Income Tax Act 80TTA, up to 10,000 rupees of money that you receive as interest on your savings is completely tax-free. So if you park 1.25 lakhs into a 7% interest giving savings account, you can get almost 10,000 rupees, which is going to be completely tax-free. Now, currently, IDFC First and Equitas Bank are two banks which are actually delivering something like this for you. What you need to do is take 1.25 lakhs from your current savings account, put it in either of these banks and start receiving tax-free passive income hitting your account on a quarterly basis as well. With that, I hope you received something which was an amazing tip today, something that you can implement on, something which is safe and also very, very simplistic to do. For more such tips, please follow my channel and do like this video. I would also love to hear your comments on this as well.